Your life is just a game to me, but you don't wanna play with me. You puppet, I stab out your eyes, stab out your eyes. You don't wanna play with me, it should be your life. Why you running from? Why you running from? Something you know you can't change, it's stuck in the back of your past. Every time you try to make it different, it's just the same thing over and over again. Yeah, you know you're looking in the mirror and it's your only friend. I'm not the same anymore. I write my songs, I write my stories for you. I'm not the same anymore. I rise for you, no matter the fight. Through the dark every night, I'll bring you the light. This birthday alone, but I still see you. I'm fighting for you beyond the skies. I was shaking so, but now I rise for you. I won't fall, I keep pushing, I give it my all. Your dad's in the fight, so you can have a life. Late night shadows fall, I won't break. I know you're hurting every step I take. I was sinking fast. Now I see your face, your smile. I swear my daughter calls her dad, if the beat I'll die. I'm writing my story, I won't be the same. If my voice is all I got, then I pour out every truth. Hope that you hear the man that I've become and not just the kid I used to be. I turn my pain into these pages, my silence into melodies. If I can't say, I'll face your face. Then let this song remember me. If I'm not the same anymore, I'll write my songs, I'll write my stories for you. Every word from my soul, every note takes a piece of the truth. If my world forgets my name, the scars will sing me through. I'm not the same anymore, and I'm not good at goodbyes. But I don't see you anymore. You're just haunting my dreams, while the shadows at my door. You're haunting my head like a ghost in my dreams. I think I like it, I think I like it. You're like a puppet, I stab out your eyes. Oh, your life was just a game. It played you with the strings you gave to me.